Hey there everybody, how's it going? Welcome! We all use keyboard shortcuts in order to speed up our workflow in different situations. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to choose your hotkeys so you can get the most out of your workflow. Let's dive into lesson 1. How many keys? Speed-wise, we've got 4 different types of keyboard shortcuts. The fastest ones are the single key shortcuts, the ones that require you to press one single key at a time. For example, S, A, P, anything. One level slower are the ones that require you to press one modifier plus one key. For example, Ctrl S, Shift H, Alt A. Pressing two modifiers plus one key is a bit slower, so that's the next level. And finally, the slowest hotkeys are the ones that require you three modifiers plus one key. For example, Ctrl Shift Alt S. And if you want, you can add the Windows key to the mix and make it even slower. My suggestion is to prioritize your commands, assign single keystrokes to the most useful commands, and let the slower hotkeys do less useful commands. Lesson 2. Travel time. When you type, you put both of your hands on your keyboard, so you can safely split your keyboard and give each half to the related hand. But when doing tasks like video editing, gaming, or other works that require you to navigate your mouse, you basically use your primary hand for your mouse or any other pointing device, and your secondary hand to operate the keyboard. Now, if you ask me to press the key 1 with my left hand, piece of cake. But pressing the key O with my left hand requires my hand to travel all over the keyboard to the other side, and this takes time. So what should be done? Simply go ahead and move all of your hotkeys to the side that your secondary hand lays on keyboard, so you can be more productive and accurate. And the last lesson, find hotkeys. If you are not an experienced typer or if you are not used to the keyboard you are using right now, it's totally okay to look at it when typing. But hey, you cannot edit videos or play games when fully looking at your keyboard. In other words, you have to trigger shortcuts blindfolded. Some regions of your keyboard are populated with same size keys, making it hard to find some keys, for example G and H or 5 and 6. And it's even worse when you have to operate different keyboards, for example, your desktop keyboard and your laptops. But on the other hand, there are keys that are super duper easy to find on any keyboard, such as the tilde key. You just have to move your hand to the upper left corner, which is super easy on any keyboard. You are seeing other examples on the screen right now. I recommend putting useful commands on keys that are easy to find so you won't waste time looking for them. We are almost done with this video, but let me tell you a super useful tiny little secret. Do not ever put any command on the slash key, because it's never positioned at the same location on different keyboards. And that's all. If you've enjoyed, please like the video and make sure you're subscribed to our channel. Thanks for watching and goodbye.